Welcome to our production workshop. Today we'll introduce our automatic powder packaging machine, a highly efficient packaging equipment designed for powder products. Whether it is curry powder, milk powder, flour, starch, instant coffee, spices, or chemical powder, it can provide accurate and efficient packaging solutions. Our automatic powder packaging machine is made of food-grade 304 stainless steel to ensure the safety and durability of the equipment under high-intensity work. The fully enclosed design effectively prevents dust from entering the machine, ensuring the cleanliness of the production environment and the long-term use of the equipment. The film drawing system is equipped with a servo motor control to ensure uniform stretching and precise positioning of the film, while the PLC control system and touchscreen interface bring intelligent operation experience. With just a few touches on the screen, you can easily adjust the packaging parameters and achieve fast switching. Through the precise metering system, our automatic powder packaging machine can ensure the exact amount of powder in each bag of product. Whether it is curry powder, instant coffee, or other powder products, it can be packaged quickly and accurately. The equipment is equipped with an independent temperature control system to ensure that the temperature is accurately controlled each time it is sealed, and the seal is smooth and beautiful. This technology ensures the quality of the packaging, while improving production efficiency and meeting the packaging needs of different powder products. Each bag of packaging is processed by the intelligent sealing system to ensure that the seal of each bag of powder is flawless, without leakage of powder or dust. The seal is smooth and beautiful, in line with industry standards, and improves the appearance and quality of the product. The equipment is equipped with a fault display system to monitor the equipment's operating status in real time. If any problem occurs, the system will display the fault information in time to help operators quickly troubleshoot and solve the problem, reducing manual intervention and improving the reliability and safety of the equipment. According to customer needs, our automatic powder packaging machine supports a variety of packaging forms, including pillow bags, needle bags, hanging hole bags, linked bags, etc. Whether it is single bag packaging or multi-bag packaging, we can provide you with customized solutions to meet the packaging needs of different products. Choosing our automatic powder packaging machine, you will experience a precise, intelligent, and fast packaging process. Whether it is small-scale production or large-scale packaging, we can provide the best solution to make your powder packaging more efficient, reliable, and economical.